Hey guys, Corrie here with Hip Kit Club on their YouTube channel with a new scrapbook process video for you. I'm really excited too because this is my first page with the May kits. Also, I am using the May mood board for my inspiration. I love all of these colors and everything else, but the two things that I pulled out of it were the black and white stripes and then all of the beautiful pink. And that just, the stripes really spoke to me, and then I always love pink, so I figured that is a great place to go with my page. So I'm just starting off this page with white cardstock and black paint. So the black paint is just out of my stash, and I'm just going to put some black stripes on my page with a dry brush. I like the look of acrylic paint with a dry brush. I like how it's not real smooth and you can see all the different kind of textures of the cardstock underneath it. I think that's kind of cool. And then after that, I do go ahead and get some soupy black paint. I just mixed water in it and put some splatters on the page. That wasn't actually my original plan, but I was like, why not, Well, and then I had some paint already on my palette paper, and the only paint that wasn't dry, was this pink. And that's really what made me kind of go with this black and pink theme. I had the mood board up on my computer screen so that I could sit there and look at it as I was doing this page, and I was like, you know what, the pink, it's perfect. And again, this is just acrylic paint that I had. It's from my stash, nothing special, and it was already on that palette paper, so it just all worked out really wonderfully. So my original plan had been to put the photos up this one side. I'm using 3 photos for this page because they were just photos from the school weekend. So I'd wanted them to go up the side, but then it covered up my black stripes, and that wasn't good either. So I decided to put them straight up the middle, and then that way there'd be plenty of black stripe to be seen. Now, these kits are great. There are tons and tons and tons of stickers in these kits. I did get all of the kits again this month. And on this one, I'm actually using every kit except for the main kit. So I think I'm going to be doing a page that's main kit only here coming up. And so I was like, well, I kept all that stuff aside because I don't want to mix it up with everything else. But doing that, I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a page that has none of the main kit in it. So these are all just embellishment kits and the Project Life kit and the color kit. So that's what I'm working with on this page. It's just the extra kits. But embellishments are my favorite things anyhow, so it works out really well. And so I'm just going to start with the title. The title is Weekend Away, and I was actually going to do Weekend Getaway, but then I was like, you know what, I really love this alpha, and I didn't want to use all of the E's because then, of course, that would make it so I would probably not be able to use these letter stickers. So I was like, all right, well, I'll just save the get part, and I'll just put Weekend Away. Of course, date my page, and then I'm just going to use all these gorgeous stickers. I'm so thankful that there are so many pink ones. I mean, it's just perfect for this mood board and the whole black, white, and pink theme that I'm kind of pulling out of the mood board. So this was a weekend back in February that my family, minus my college daughter because she's always busy at college, that we took off and went down to Florida. The weather wasn't great for beach sitting, but it was great to be able to go tromping around the local little town that's nearby the beach that we like to go to. And so it was really fun. So we got to go down there, and the girls were goofing off and hanging out. We were hanging out by the bay and got to see go inside the cute shops that are there and everything else. It was so much fun. Of course, as I look at these photos, they were taken on February the 2nd, and the next day, that was a Saturday. So on Sunday, my youngest actually ended up having a fever. It was really strange. So that was on Sunday. So by Thursday of this same week, so just 4 short days later, I was actually taking her to the emergency room because she couldn't breathe and ended up with pneumonia. So It's funny because we had a great time this weekend and that we were gone. And at the same time, like every time I see the photos, I know that it's right before she got the worst. She's never been that sick before ever. So, um, it's funny how memories get triggered like that, right? So it's these photos that always remember that it's the weekend that right before she got pneumonia. So anyhow, back to my page. So this page is super quick. It just came together so easily. I really like it because I feel like it's almost kind of a clean and simple page. And I just, it came out great. But with a few more little hearts here and there, I did add a little bit of that teal blue. Just because, why not, right? It's cute. But with just the last few little embellishments here and there, that's all I need. And quite honestly, the page is pretty much done. This is the last thing I put on it. I think I did. Oh, I lied. I put some more hearts on it, you guys. I guess I forgot that I had more hearts. But anyhow, now it's going to be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all definitely go over and check out that mood board. It's great inspiration. The colors are beautiful, and it just really was a fun jumping off point to get this page going. And if you do something with the mood board, make sure you let me know because I want to see how you guys interpret it, what pulls out of it for you. Anyhow, that's it. You guys, make sure you guys head over to the shop and pick up some goodies from HipKit. And if there are any April kits left, you want to get those. But seriously, y'all, don't miss out on those May kits. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.